Welcome to my channel, your go-to space for growth, clarity, and transformation. My name is Dami, and I help everyday professionals like you work smarter with practical digital skills. If this video resonates with you or you find it helpful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and join the community. So let's dive into today's lesson. Have you ever been invited into a Zoom meeting and you panicked because you didn't have an account? Don't worry. In this short tutorial, I'll walk you through how to set up your own Zoom account, customize it, and schedule your first meeting like a pro. Let's jump right in.
It's free. You don't have to pay to sign up. Fill in your date of birth, continue. You had your email address and you click on continue. You could decide that, okay, I don't want to add the email address. I just want to log in through my Google straight.
Now, before we go deeper, let me explain something important about Zoom. Sometimes someone might share a link with you, maybe from a job or an online class or even a coaching session, and they expect you to just click and join the meeting, right? The thing is, if you don't already have an account, Zoom may first ask you to sign up before you can enter the meeting. And that's exactly why I'm showing you this in this tutorial. So you can learn how to create a Zoom account step by step and confidently join any meeting link or meeting ID someone shares with you. So, because in some cases, especially if you're working remotely, someone might ask you to create a Zoom meeting for them, or maybe a one time session, or even a recurring meeting. And that's why it's important to understand how Zoom works both as a participant or as a host.
So you could log in through your Google account. Click on one of those icons. Probably you want to log in with your Facebook, you want to log in with your Gmail, but I choose to log in to type in my email address. So he sent me a code which is verify. Click on verify. Once you click on verify, it brings you here. So you begin to fill your details.
You will have to create a very strong password.
And after creating your password, there's a question here. What age group does the organization provide service for? Select all that apply. That's if it's for educators. But this is not for educators. This is just a neutral account. So after creating your password, click on continue. Now you just created a Zoom account. And you can also schedule meetings up for up to 40 minutes each with your current basic plan. Just tell it to take me to the basic account. Because the moment you try to sign up for a free account, it's gonna bring out another page and ask you to fill in your card details. So you don't want to just tell it to take you to the basic account, which is this page. So now we are logged into our Zoom account, right? So now go to the meeting settings tab and click schedule a meeting. After clicking on the meeting tab, it brings you here. Then you click on schedule a meeting. You have schedule a meeting here and you have it here too. So I'm going to click on this schedule a meeting. So fill in the meeting details, time, title, and duration. Meeting topic is admin lectures. You can choose to add a description if you want, right? Or you could say team meeting for project managers who are interested in growth and NOWLE knowledge expansion. So, etc. etc. So when is this meeting going to take place? On a Monday, which is 27th of January. What time is it going to hold? It's going to be in the morning and it's going to hold at 10 a.m. What's the duration of the meeting? This meeting is going to hold for 40 minutes, right? Okay, you scroll down. What's your time zone? Now, set your time zone. Is it going to be a recurring meeting? If it's not, then ignore.
Now, right here, you see something called recurring meeting. This simply means that instead of you setting up a new Zoom link every time, you can create one meeting that repeats like weekly classes or regular team check-ins. And just to mention, Zoom's free plan allows you to host meetings, but you are only limited to 40 minutes per session. So if it's more than that's if it's more than two people. So if you want longer or unlimited meeting time, you will need to upgrade to a paid plan. But the recurring meeting feature itself is available even on free plan. Just remember to keep an eye on the 40 minutes limit.
Attendees, fill in the email of those who are going to be present, or you could decide to omit this space. Now, under the meeting ID, select generate automatically to create a unique link. Generate automatically to create a unique link, which is already automatically fixed. Select a template. Is it a personal template? So you could decide that you want to add a document ensuring that your meeting ID is set to generate automatically. Then scroll down and adjust the host and participant video settings. This is the host section. Video on for the host and for the participants as well. You click on save to save the meeting. Click on copy invitation to share the link with your team. You can see the link has been copied. So you can share this link with anyone in your team. It could be your team member, it could be anyone. So you could also add this link to your Google Calendar. It's as easy as that. If you're in a hurry, use the Zoom app to start a meeting instantly or schedule one with just a few clicks. It doesn't take much time.
And just like that, you're now ready to host your own Zoom meetings. If this helped, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and drop a comment if you have a question or other tools you want me to cover. Until next time, keep showing up and leveling up. Bye.